All right, after about 10 years, all the plastic trims start to get a little bit old and foggy, milky looking. It looks really dirty, you know? You see that white? It's supposed to be black, but you start to see the white color pop up on all plastic trims in your car. I have tried different cleaners and detailer products, but none of them would restore the black looking on the trim. So today I'm gonna try WD-40, the magic product, right? So we're gonna apply that on one side of this blue tape and to see how that would hold up after a couple weeks or a couple months. All right, after a couple of wipes, here you end up with a dirty kitchen towel. But let's look at the result. All right, so pretty white, milky, smoky looking. But here, after a couple of wipes, it does look a little bit better. Okay, I'm gonna peel this blue tape off so you have a better look. Okay, yeah. Now it's a very good comparison. All right, so I will drive the car around for a couple of hours and we'll come back to check if this result would last. All right, so this is already after a week, which is around 7 days. Let's come back to check how WD-40 did to this plastic panel, this fitted aged plastic panel. You probably remember previously I put a blue tape here, so I cleaned this side. This side is untreated, and right after treatment, you can see a clear boundary and it is gloss black. But after 7 days, it goes back to the faded, aged, ugly plastic surface. Okay, well, I did on both sides, so we can check out the other side. But the result of WD-40, it's WD-40, sorry, it's very disappointed. Let's check out this side. All right, yep. You can see this is untreated surface. This is treated surface with WD-40. You can tell, you know, some residuals, but after a week, I see that result is not good. For this type of plastic restoration, you want to apply once and make it last for like a couple months at least. A week, that's too short. All right, so this tells you do not use WD-40 to clean up or treat your fitted plastic panel, and it would look great right after treatment, but after a couple of days, you will be disappointed. All right, guys, thank you for watching.